Hi there! Today I will show you how to parse text strings using for loops. A for loop iterates, or repeats, a command or set of commands. It does this in order based on a list, a range of numeric values, or some other sequence. Text strings are ordered sets of characters, so for loops are very useful for analyzing or parsing each character in order. I will create a variable containing a text string. First, let's check how many characters it contains using the function len. As we can see, the text string computer has 8 characters. When we step through the for loop, for C in text, it will continue to loop until all characters are parsed. Print C is the command inside the for loop. In this case, it should loop 8 times, 1 time for each character in computer. In the first loop, the program prints the first character, capital C. In the second loop, the program prints the second character, lowercase o. And it continues until no characters are left. The characters are printed 1 per line because the print function automatically adds 1 new line character \n at the end of every text string. Now it's time for something more complex. This time, the for loop will not only analyze the text string, but will also create a new one. Text1 is a text string that is spelled backwards. Our task is to reverse the string to make it readable. Remember that in Python, strings are immutable. The original string cannot be changed. So instead of changing the string text1, we create a new string, text2. We start by creating text2 as an empty string. Every time the for loop runs, we will add a single character to text2. As before, the for loop will run as many times as there are characters in text1, once for each character. Within the loop, we add a letter from text1 to the beginning of text2 using the command text2 is equal to C plus text2. Watch what happens as we run the for loop. Let's step through the first few loops. We ran the print statement inside the loop to check each step. If we don't need to monitor the process, we can simply move the print statement outside the for loop by deleting the indent, so that we only print the final output. Time for some homework. Write a for loop that reverses a normal sentence into one spelled backwards. Then, send the encrypted message to a friend who will decrypt it in the same manner. Have fun! See you in the next video.